whole thing, man.
The hell about the garbage out the window trick?
Dude. Watch the old lady, Nate.
Taking her ass out from the car,
Oh, damn, dude.
Left-handed.
All right, Salt Lake City, round 2, going snowboarding. Got my good dude Nate here driving me to the airport. Super thankful. We'll see what happens. I'm terrible at this, but
dude, you were crushing it last time you were here.
I haven't filmed any dialogue, any commentary so far for this trip, besides from when I was driving to the airport. So we're here in Salt Lake City, heading up to Park City, Utah to do some snowboarding today. It's Friday, first day out here. Got in last night, kind of whooped, but back out here again 4 months after the initial the initial trip. So again, out here with my dude Jordan, and we're gonna hit this up. So
we'll hit it up.
We'll see what happens.
We'll strap it over here and then it goes down.
Are we going to the backcountry?
Well, we got to make our way over there.
Okay.
So we'll get a couple runs in before we get to 99.90, and then
okay.
And then the real shit starts to happen.
All right.
It gets real insane.
Just got off the gondola. It's about to get real insane.
We're just, dude, we're gonna hit up some blues. It's gonna be nuts.
Blues are boring, dude. Let's go
Blues
Black Diamonds.
Awesome.
Dude. All right. Yeah.
I'm down. I mean, I'm down if you're down.
I'm down. All right, man. Going all out. Gonna head out over there. Hit up some powder. Make the most of this. It's a brutal trip. It was a brutal hike, but it's worth it. Let's do it. I'm dead. I'm so tired. We just hiked all the way up here from not very far away, to be honest with you. And we're pretty tired. You want to try to go all the way over there? Make it over there?
To where?
Just right over there, past the trees.
Yeah, we can hike more.
Okay. Vlogging, cooling off. Got our stuff. Chilling. My board's probably gonna slide down the mountain any moment now. But yeah, this is nuts, man. Always a good adventure when we get out of here,
We're gonna
dude.
get the helicopter, dude.
Helicopter. I don't know.
We are way out here.
There it is, way out. They're probably looking for us. Probably keeping. It's been going past us, so maybe they're like, we got the Canadian and the guy from Detroit out there. Got to keep an eye on those two. So.
It's so good. Just
I feel hot.
I know.
From
It's
the
like
sun.
it's like really nice.
The sun is keeping us warm right now. It is insane out here. So, yeah. Gonna try to drop in here. We're watching some dudes down below
Oh, look at that.
do some backflips.
Parachute guy?
I don't know if you can see the parachute guy, but it's crazy. It's just insane out here. I don't know.
He jumped from the
Probably the helicopter. I don't know.
I don't think so. The helicopter was way over there.
You never know, dude. I'm gonna yard sail right into your pee.
we go.
What's it called? Like Cliff. Let's just do UAB. Stop.